These beautiful hooded Pitohui songbirds are notable for the black feathers on their wings, tails, and head, while their bellies and backs have orange feathers. The hooded Pitohui feeds on different kinds of insects and berries. Scientists believe that this bird's diet is associated with the toxin homobtex, which gives it a bad taste. This toxin settles on the hooded pitohuis skin, feathers, and dander. The highest concentration of this toxin is found on the bird's breast, leg, and belly feathers. Any form of contact with any of the parts above results in a tingling, numbing effect, watery eyes, sneezing, and burning. Throughout its life cycle, the bird tends to use this toxin to keep off parasites and potential parasites, including humans.